Manipuri loan asi Assam gi associate official language oina chatna hankiba khongthang adigi tamak Chief Minister Nongthombam Berena Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma da thagat phongdokhrei India Today ani gi report amana hai Hemanta Biswa Sarma ga telephone gi khothang da wari sanabada Chief Minister Nongthombam Berena hai Assam lenga ki khongthang asina Assam da khundariba Manipuri single loan amadi nat ngak senbada achawa mateng oiragani masigi bathakta Assam da Manipuri ngang ba candidate sing masagi loan da tongan ton ba examination kaya thaba yaragani haibasimak thagat ningai ni Assam da khundariba Manipuri singi damak Assam lengak na lepliba khongthang aduk paladuna Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma na hai awang nongpoki state singda khundaminariba phurup sing asi yamna naknaba mari leinaribani maramaduna Assam da khundariba Manipuri singna khudong chaba khudingmak phangduna Chakot hanaba Assam lengak na hotnabani haiki ningsing mayabadi Assam State Legislative Assembly na Manipuri loan asi Assam gi district mari the associate official language oina chatna na bill ngarang pass tawkhibani loan asibu official associate official language oina chatna hanaba Assam da ladiba Manipuri sing maru oina Barak Valley da khundariba Manipuri sing na takna duna lakhibani Parliamentary Affairs Minister Piyush Hazarika na bill asi muktawkhibani Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma na mahakis statement of objects and reasons piraduna hai Manipuri loan asi matam kayagi mamangdagi associate official language oina chatna hanaba maikai kiyadagi demand tawduna lakhibani Assam lengang na state asida khundaminariba phuruk khudingmaki nat chatnabi amadi loan yokhatnaba khongpham chetna lepli haiki tungda bill asi pass tawduna Kasar Hailakandi Karimganj amadi Hosai district da associate official language oina chatnaba haukhibani